Yes, I'm pre-recording here. I want to get several of these done. You never know with the gardening coming up and things coming up. I want to make sure I have these out for you. So once again, salute. And this is pre-recorded. Same hat, same shirt, same day. All right. So here we go on to Corinthians here. I gotta get the Bible back up. We're doing 17 through 19. For Christ sent me not to baptize, but to preach the gospel, not with the wisdom of words, lest the cross of Christ should be made of none effect. For the preaching of the cross is to them that perish foolishness, but unto us which are saved it is the power of God. For it is written, I will destroy the wisdom of the wise, and will bring to nothing the understanding of the prudent. So that's for y'all today, and I hope you enjoyed it, and do it God's way, definitely not your way, unless your way is God's way. All right, y'all have a good day.